What's going on, Millie Roaders? If this is not your first time tuning into the channel, welcome back. If this is your first time, welcome to the channel. It's been a long time since I've done a video. I might be a little rusty, so bear with me. But of course, it has been due to COVID-19. I haven't really had any content to put out there, so rather than putting a boring content out there, I'd rather just wait till something good comes around. And today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm super happy to announce that me and my wife actually got a sponsorship for her Jeep. So we're super excited once again, and that sponsor is Last Fit. So I'm gonna get to that right now, and I'm gonna show you exactly what they sent me so you guys could check it out and hopefully go buy from them, because I think the product is amazing. So thank you so much, Last Fit, once again for sponsoring my Jeep, or my wife's Jeep actually. And hopefully you guys will be able to check them out. I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you guys can go to their website and see all the products that they have available for your car. So anyways, let's get started with this video. All right guys, so here is what they sent me. They actually sent me these floor mats. So it's very nicely packaged, and it does come with a little handle on top, so that's very nice. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys so you guys can see how it looks, but from the website it looks very high quality. And I chose this product because, you know, being a Jeep and this being our daily driver, it really does get dirty. And I kind of don't like when the rugs inside get really ugly, and you know, if there's any spill or whatever, it does mess up the rugs that come from the factory. I wasn't really feeling that, so I didn't really want to keep on getting it dirty. You know, this is a lease, so I have to return it at the end of the day, so I really want to protect the rugs that much more. So I got those mats that Last Fit sent over to us for that specific reason. I'm gonna unbox it right now for you guys, but as you could already tell, it does have the little inserts here for the mats, so that way it doesn't slide around. But yeah, anyways, let's get started with unboxing this thing. All right guys, so in total Miami fashion, it started raining a little bit, so I had to like put a stop to it. But anyways, let's get to unboxing this, because I'm going to be unboxing it at the same time as you guys to see how the package comes. And of course, as you could already tell, the package does come pretty nicely, of course, with a nice handle and everything. Last Fit right on it. Very nice and very presentable. So let's unbox this bad boy real quick and see what comes inside. And so very nice packaging once again. Wow. And just by opening it, you could already tell that it does have these borders right here, so that's very nice. So that way it doesn't, whatever you spill, it doesn't go and spill onto the rug or the side of the rug on the floor mats. So that's very cool. And wow, very high quality, and it does have their logo right here, so that's very nice. So obviously this is the front driver's seat. I have the front passenger seat, which of course, once again, the mat does go up, so that way if you spill anything, you know, it stays, the water liquid just stays in here. Very, very nice. Look at this material. As you could tell, it does have some nice grooves in there, so that's very cool. So it's very nice all in all. And then the rear, and then for the rear, obviously very big, and once again the same thing, so that way it keeps the liquid in here. And you can see this, the rubber or this material actually does go up a little bit, so that's very, very nice. And these are direct replacements for the factory floor mats. So as you can tell, it does have these inserts here, so that's where the clips go, so that way it doesn't move around. That's very nice. And obviously it just fits right onto OEM. So I'm gonna install them and let's see how good they look. All right guys, so I'm gonna install the front floor mat. I have it right here, and once again, just look at these grooves, and it looks very nice. And of course, these little inserts right here that do replace or do go where the factory I guess clips are, so that's very cool. Here's the inside part of it. So let's get to replacing this bad boy. So obviously just pull it out, not a big deal. Ow, guys, smacked my head. And there's the ugly one, and wow, you could already tell. I mean, look how dirty it is on the bottom, but ignore that. I'm gonna clean it later. I just want to do this for the video. I didn't take this out before. It's my fault. But anyways, this is the old factory floor mat, very ugly. And now for the last fit one, goes in there and looks amazing, guys. Look at that. Let me just unclip it from here, and look how good that looks, guys. I mean, a million times better. And what I was mentioning before is that that rubber piece does go up on the side right there and through here, and it looks factory. I mean, look how well it lines up with, okay, ignore that. Look how well it lines up with the actual the fitting of the inside of this car. I mean, it lines up right here where your foot goes. It doesn't go over it like other companies that, you know, it might stick out a little bit or whatever. And then this part is the most impressive part for me, that it actually does follow the same line all the way back. So I think that's very nice. And you could already tell that these are very, very high quality. Man, I'm out of breath. Woo! I'm out of breath. I'm so out of shape. Holy crap. Anyways, you can tell that these are really high quality compared to the factory floor mats, which obviously not that good. Didn't cover as much at all, but these do cover a lot more once again. So awesome product, last fit. That's our logo right there. Looks great. So let me just do the rest, and I'll show you guys the finished product. And this one I'm gonna say bye to. Yeah. All right, guys, so I installed the mats on the car, and let me tell you, well, actually, let me show you how good it actually looks. So right here is a front. I showed it to you earlier, but I'm really, I want to mention it before again. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I'm really surprised how everything fits. I mean, you can see the logo, it looks very nice. And you can see that these clips right here actually lined up perfectly, and they lined up so perfectly. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, but I'm really happy with this. They lined up so perfectly that once I clip these two clips in, you can see that this lines up perfectly with the OEM step here on the side of the car. Like, literally lines up perfectly, and I honestly couldn't be more happy about that. Like, that really surprised me, because I've had other mats before and they don't line up as good as these do. So very happy, great product, last fit. And let me show you guys the back here. As you can tell, it's one full piece in the back, and the factory floor mats only cover this side and that side, and then the middle you're kind of screwed if you spill anything. And if you have kids or whatever, you don't want to spill something and then have to take it somewhere to a dry cleaner. Let's say your kid throws up, because they do throw up or whatever. It goes on these mats, which are rubber, and you can just take a hose, wash them off, and you're good to go. So if they didn't have that covering there in the middle, that piece of rug will be totally destroyed. So I really suggest getting something like this, like obviously like how Last Fit has. Not only because it does cover everything, but because it just fits so perfectly into his car. Like, I'm really surprised by it. Once again, perfectionist, and I'm really surprised by how great everything fits and how much coverage this provides. So very, very happy by it. And with that being said, guys, that concludes this video. I'm very happy with the Last Fit floor mats. If you guys want to check them out, please click on the description below. Last Fit, thank you so much for sponsoring this video and sponsoring us with these awesome floor mats. Check them out, guys. They have a ton of floor mats for all your cars. So hopefully you buy some from them, because take it from me, these are actually amazing. And I'm really surprised with how good the fit is. I've had previous floor mats before, and they do not compare to this. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for future videos where I'm gonna do 5 things that I love about this car, 5 things I hate, and of course a video of me doing a walk around to show you guys what I've done so far to the car, which is not much, but stay tuned for those videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.